this video, I just want to show you how I go about setting up a Google Hangout on Air. So I can do it in two ways, and the easiest way is starting from my website. And these are the stories I wrote today. I wrote 3 stories today. If I go onto my YouTube link, that takes me to YouTube, and if I go onto my channel on the left, that takes me to my channel. If I click on the views here, that takes me to an area where on the left hand side you can see streaming. If I click on streaming and on events, you will see that here I've got a Wirecast test. These are upcoming events. There are no live events at the moment. And if I go on to live event, and if there's nothing, then it will say you don't have any events that are live now, schedule a new event. Or I could just go to the upcoming events, which are those 2. This one, diaspora support for Tajamuga. This one is for the 18th, which is tomorrow at 10:30. It's a Google Hangout, and this one here was just supposed to be a test, supposed to have happened a few minutes ago, which is why it is private. It was just for testing out. I was trying to test out the Wirecast application to see if we can use it instead of the Google Hangout on Air, because this one will soon be stopped by Google and will only be using the Wirecast. So I'm trying to practice how to set up the Wirecast. And then for completed events, you've got Zimbabwe Computer Crime and Cybercrime Bill. We had to do this one twice because the first one did not show very well, or there were some hiccups. Okay, so let's go back to the upcoming events. Now I can go here on the right hand side and click on new live event, add a new live event. So if I do that, I can type in the title here, new live event. It's not going to be today. Let's say it's next week Wednesday at, let's say, 8 in the evening. I can put an end time if I want. I can make it 20, maybe 2100. So it'll go on for an hour. I can say this is a new live event to discuss physics. Okay, and what you have here is the Grammarly app or application which I use to check my spellings, and I could say physics as my tag, and then so if I go on custom, then I can use the Wirecast application. But if it's just a quick using Google Hangout, then I can quickly create an event here. I can make it private, okay, or I can make it public, and then I can monetize it here, and I can change the category to maybe physics, so that's okay. Let's say science and technology, and then I can create the event. So the event has been created, and then I can check. So there is the event, new live event, Google Hangout. This one is a live control room, meaning it's not using Google Hangout. It's using something else called the Wirecast. Okay, which I'll start using maybe in a couple of weeks. Then I can come here and I want to go to my Google Plus, maybe to just check. It's not so intuitive now, so maybe I want to go back to Google and check for Google Hangout On Air and sign in. Okay, that's me signed in. I'm not having one now, but I wanted to check if I can find the other Google Hangouts. So it looks like there's nothing here. You are the only one here. Invite people. Okay, let me go back to setting up one, getting started. That's about start or schedule Google Hangout. Doesn't help very much, which is the reason why I don't like to go through the Google Hangout, because it doesn't give me the options I want. Let's try that again. Google Hangout. On Air. Login. See, login problems. Why is that coming up? And I get Google is discontinue Google Plus Hangout On Air on September 12th. Pushes users to YouTube Live, which is what I was talking about. Okay, so let's see if we can get anything. No, we're not gonna get anything here. Let's say set up a Google Hangout On Air. On your computer. Here we go. That's better. You see, I don't like how it takes so much time just to get to this home screen. So here you can create a new Google Hangout. Let's see. Let's try that. Okay. Hangouts On Air is moving to YouTube Live. Use the YouTube Live to schedule events after that. Okay, that's fine. Hangouts On Air. Host a Hangout On Air. Hangouts. Let's see. Visit Hangouts. it's not going to show me it's not going to show me this page. It looks like it's easier to see that on the events page here, because then I can see what hangouts I've got upcoming or live or completed. Okay, no problemo. So anyway, if you've got questions on how to set this up, if there's something you did not understand, just let me know and I will answer that specific question. It's always easier when you've got a specific question to answer from someone. Okay, so I'm going to stop this screencast, stop recording it now, and do a bit of editing.